Welcome back, students. Now we are going to do exercise problem number 6. Prepare bank reconciliation statement from the following data and find out the balance as per cash book as on 31st of March 2018. So they have asked us to prepare bank reconciliation statement in order to find out the balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per bank statement 15,000. So they have given us balance as per bank statement. So it is a favorable balance given here. So our starting point is bank balance. So any adjustment to be made has to be done only with the bank balance. So as you all know, we will start with cash book on the left and bank balance on the right. Okay, so any adjustment to be made should be done only with the bank now. So we are starting with bank balance as per bank statement. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment. So normally when we issue check, we will deduct that from our cash book. It has not been presented for payment. This is the scenario now. Cash is less but bank balance is more. As I told you, since our starting point is bank balance, any adjustment to be made has to be done only with this side, bank side. Okay. So cash book is less, bank balance is more. If you want to equalize both, you have to bring down the bank balance. So checks issued but not yet presented for payment must be deducted. Then bank charges not recorded in the cash book. So bank will charge us for different services which they provide. Right? So these bank charges will be deducted automatically from our account. So which is not recorded in our cash book. Unless we make an entry in the passbook, we may not know exactly on which date the bank charges have been deducted. So our bank is less, but we didn't record this in our cash book. Cash book is more. So what has to be done? Any adjustment to be made has to be done only with the bank side. So if you want to equalize both, you have to add it up. Then interest charged by the bank not recorded in the cash book. So again, a bank is charging us an interest which will be automatically deducted from our account. So bank is less, but we didn't record this in our cash book. Cash book is more. So what has to be done? We have to add it up. Then a bank paid insurance premium as per standing instruction but not recorded in the cash book. So as per our instruction, standing instruction, bank has paid the insurance premium on our behalf. Right? So it has been deducted from our account. Bank balance is less. But we didn't record this in our cash book. Cash book is more. So what has to be done? If you want to equalize, you have to add it up. Checks deposited but not yet credited. So we have received a check. And once we receive a check, we will add it up in our cash book. The check has been deposited with the bank, but it is not yet credited, which means money transfer did not happen. Bank balance is less, but our cash book is more. If you want to equalize, what has to be done? We have to add it up. Now let us move on to the solution. So we will start with the title, Bank Reconciliation Statement as on 31st of March 2018. You have particulars column, amount and amount. So we are starting with balance as per bank statement. So put that amount A, balance as per bank statement, put it in the outer column 15,000. B, all those items which need to be added comes under B. First one, bank charges not recorded in the cash book. So as I told you, bank charges will be automatically deducted from our account. So bank balance is less, but cash balance is more. So any adjustment to be made has to be done only on the bank side. So we need to add it. 250 must be added. Then interest charged by the bank not recorded in cash book. So interest charged has been deducted already from our account. Bank balance is less, but we didn't record this in the cash book. Cash book is more. Cash is more, bank balance is less. So any adjustment to be made has to be done only on the bank balance side. Add it up, 500. Then bank paid insurance premium as per instruction, not recorded in the cash book. Again, on our behalf, as per the instruction given, insurance premium has been paid by the bank. So bank has deducted that amount from our account and paid the insurance premium. So we do not know exactly on which date the payment has been done. Only after making the entry in the passbook or when we go through the bank statement, we will come to know. Till such time, we don't know on the date on which the payment has been made. So it is not recorded in the cash book. Cash book is more, but bank balance is less. So if you want to equalize, you have to add it up. Then checks deposited but not yet credited. So once we receive a check, we will first add it up in our cash book. And then when we deposit the check, it will take 1 or 2 days time for the money transfer to happen. Here, in this case, checks deposited but it is not credited. Our cash book is more but bank balance is less. If you want to equalize, you have to add it up. So 250 plus 500 plus 300 plus 900 total comes to 1950. This 1950 has to be added along with A. So A plus B gives you C, 16,950. D, items which need to be deducted will come under D. So you have checks issued but not yet presented for payment. When we issue check, we normally deduct that from our cash book. Here, we have already deducted that from our cash book, so our cash book balance is less. But the check is not presented for payment. Bank balance remains the same. Bank balance is more, but cash balance is less. So if you want to equalize both, you have to deduct that. 2,500. C minus D, 16,950 minus 2,500 gives you 14,450. That is E, balance as per cash book. We started with balance as per bank statement. Now at the end, we are getting balance as per cash book. The logic is the same. Only thing you need to understand the starting point. If you start with cash book, any adjustment to be made has to be done only on the cash book side. Here in this case, we are starting with balance as per bank statement. So any adjustment to be made has to be done only on the bank balance. At last, we are arriving at balance as per cash book.